जैसे घर में कोई मेहमान आता है उन्हें बोतल दें तो वो खाली हो जाए, वो जमा कर लेने हैं, फिर जब टीचर कहें तो टेट्रा पैक वालों में डाल देंगे। हम लोग घर में गंद ना मचे इसीलिए हम लोग सारा कूड़ा जमा करते हैं, जमा करके और अलग अलग डस्टबिन में डाल देते हैं।
We don't want to see these recyclable things that can be reused and repurposed. We don't want to see them ending up in a landfill or burned on the roads or something like that. We want to encourage them to bring them to school so they can be sent further for recycling. Even more than that, I think the more important aspect is to teach the kids about this at a young age so that they can carry it forward when they're older.
They are learning the waste recycling concept. They are creating something positive from those. They are utilizing it in the arts and craft activities. They are not just learning the academia thing. They are actually practically learning about the waste segregation in the school. So this is the best output of the, you can say, this activity.
Many ideas which I'm working on to set up like small micro recycling units so that the community can, like manage the waste. So basically that will actually lead to something like my vision of a sustainable city or a sustainable community. It becomes a zero waste community where they do not need any waste collection company, where they are managing the entire waste that they are generating and they are making good income from this.